Morning guys! Ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa Odessa, Texas. So bago kami mag-breakfast, pumunta muna kami dito sa isang store to window shop. So tingin-tingin lang kung sakaling may magustuhan at mabili, may bibilhin. Mga ano lang to, mga simple souvenir. Pero medyo pricey.
It's big. It's big.
Ayan, ang dami kang makikitang display.
At the store.
Nakakatuwa kasi maraming mga laruan, blankets, wind chime. May nakita pa kaming wind chime, napakalaki. Nakakatuwa. Kaya sabi ko kay Mark, if we're gonna buy that, where we gonna put that? Kasi napakalaki, pag humangin, dinig ng buong complex ang wind chime nila kasi napakalaki. So ayan, may mga toys, everything, marami kang pagpipilian at magugustuhan talaga, pero medyo pricey. So ang peg namin is mamasyal, mag window shop lang, tingin-tingin lang. So ayan yung aking sinasabi kong wind chime na malaki. So ayan, ang dami pa, may mga pots na mga magaganda na pwede mong bilhin, mga stone na ang cute.
You don't have Pokemon card, right? Pokemon card?
No. That's what all the kids want everywhere. And
Yeah.
But this is not what the kids do.
Gas stations.
This is the all adult kids.
Thank you.
Do gas stations usually have them?
No, they have only the stop toys and small things.
Necklace, earrings. Ayan, o, diba ang gaganda? Ang gaganda talaga. Tapos yun yung mga display sa bedroom, kung whatever you want it, diba? Yan si Mark nagtitingin-tingin doon sa kabila. Mahilig din yan pero binilhan niya ako ng isang stone na so very cute. Binilhan niya ako. Naman, sabi ko sa kanya, meron na akong amethyst.
I have that amethyst, but it's so small. Different kinds of stone.
All right, have a great day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
So, ayan. Okay, done for window shopping. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye!